Hello students, we are discussing now linear programming problems. It is a special class of optimization techniques. For example, a furniture dealer, he wants to deal with only two items, chairs and tables, and he want to invest only 50,000 on that particular shop. So he want to maximize the profit in such a case. So how much he need to invest on tables as well as how much he need to invest on chairs. He know that in each table selling he get a profit of 250 rupees, and selling of each chair he will get a profit of 75 rupees. For such type of problems are called as an optimization problems. So this example is a particular case of linear programming problems. So here the linear means the mathematical relations existed in the problem all are contains in a linear relation, as well as a program in the sense you all know that program is nothing but a plan of action or the method of determining the particular program. So for one example I will tell you, in linear programming problems the mainly it contains an objective function to maximize that objective function. For example, in this particular example of tables and chairs, we need to maximize the profit, and in certain cases we need to minimize, particularly cost of the company as well as wastage of the materials. These are all things we should minimize. So for example, in this case maximize z is equal to 250 per chair he is getting, so 250x plus and 50 rupees per table he is getting, so 250x plus 50y. Here x and y are variables, these are non-negative restrictions, so this must be a positive, and coming to for this he has a certain constraints that are called restrictions or constraints. Example, for example 50x plus 30y, he has to use maximum of 1500, and another one 30x plus 40y less than or equal to 1200. So x and y here are non-negativity restrictions, this must be greater than or equal to 0. To solve this type of particular problems we have to, this is a maximization function and these constants are linear inequations. Here why we call it as a linear inequation, it is less than or equal to. For example, an equation means ax plus by is equal to something c, then it is called as a linear equation. Inequation in the sense it must be a not equal to, means not equal to in the sense either it may be a greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. So in this particular case these two are constants are less than or equal to, means these two are linear inequations. First we have to solve, for solving this type of questions, first we have to convert the given linear inequations into a linear equations. So how it will becomes 50x plus 30y is equal to 1500, and second one is 30x plus 40y is equal to 1200. You know, to solve this particular two equations we have plenty of methods. The best method in this linear programming is graphical method. So how to solve by using graphical method, let me explain. Take an x-axis and y-axis. So here I want to use a scale as a, here 50, 30, 40 like this. So I want to use this as a 10 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 centimeters as a scale. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on. So first of all, if I'll put this x, y are independent variables, if I'll shift this x independent variable to the towards the origin, then it will becomes 30y is equal to 1500, then y is equal to 1500 by 30, that is nothing but 50. So y value is 50. So similarly, if I'll shift this y values into origin, then 50x is equal to 1500, x is equal to 1500 by 50, in the sense 30. So similarly, we will calculate the second equation, and similarly we will solve those x and y values in this objective function. We will get how much you need to purchase x and y. Thank you.